Hello YouTube and welcome fellow knife enthusiast. Today we have the Petrified Fish, or a new Petrified Fish. Get a microfiber cloth. And that thing gotta go. There we go. Don't need that on there. Alright. And this is going to be the Petrified Fish PF959 in D2. I did already take this out, kind of look it over. Feels like it has a weak detent, and it felt like it was loose to me. It's definitely tight. Decent action. I mainly got it because I absolutely love the blade shape. And online, it really looked like it had an upper foliar, but it does not. This indents in. And can't really reverse flick it. I did a couple times, but the coating they put on the blade makes it pretty slick. And I just can't catch it right. So, can't really spidey flick this one. At least not reliably. Push button works the best. If you do the light switch, you can catch your fingernail on this jipping. Definitely drops shut though. Do really love the blade shape. Really wish this would have had a foliar cut into it. Then the spidey flick would have been amazing on this knife. G10 handle. Deep carry pocket clip, but not as deep carry as they could have made it, because they wanted to put a lanyard hole. I really don't care for lanyard holes. Got some milling on the inside for weight reduction. G10 backspacer. Doesn't feel too heavy of a knife. It's still probably about 5 ounces though. As I screw that up. Oh, what are we on? Grams? Why does it do that? Oh, now I really screwed it up. There's ounces. Alright. 5.2. So a little over 5 ounces. It is slightly heavy of a knife, I guess. Check out blade length. Almost a 4-inch blade. Pretty close. 3 3/4. 8 1/2 overall. Definitely feels really good in the hand. Definitely got good ergos on it. Of course, with that pocket clip, it's a Civivi style pocket clip, so you already know it will work awesome in the pocket. Guess we can do a size comparison. Against the Ontario Wrap Model 1. Pretty much the same exact sizes. Model 2. Quite a bit smaller. The best EDC knife in my opinion, the QSP Penguin. Just think they really freaking nailed it with the Penguin. And it's a considerable amount smaller than that. And what else do we got? About a Concept Cryo. About the same size. A little bit more blade length, or no, a little bit more handle length on the Petrified Fish, but pretty darn close to being the same size. Then I do have another Petrified Fish. It's my only other Petrified Fish in the collection. I bought this when I first got into knives. This probably was like my first real Chinese knife I bought. Really freaking heavy duty knife. I have carried this on me. Looks like we got a designer name here. David Chen, maybe? Awesome action on this one. I think this is a PF 838 maybe? ND2. No badging on the blade really, besides down there on the flipper tab. I've never taken this one apart or had to tune it or nothing, and it just has amazing action. Like, drop shot, really nice G10 with this. Really nice. I like their pivots. The PF, and they're D-shaped, so they only fit in that way, so they can't rotate off that. So just, they seem like really well-made knives. I appreciate all the recent subscribers. That is awesome. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure and subscribe. You can go back and watch my 100 subscriber giveaway video. It will be live until Saturday when I put all the names in a hat and draw a winner for this ST, the Sativian ST131. Just has amazing action. Awesome micarta. Really awesome knife. Be giving it away this Saturday. We'll find out who the winner is. And then we're halfway to my 250 subscriber giveaway now. So I did decide I was going to give away the QSP Penguin. I'm still not sure if it's going to be one like this or the blue jean. There's just something with the blue jean and the silver I absolutely love. And the blue jean micarta is really nice. Feels really nice in the hand. But then you got this carbon fiber. It's just freaking awesome. So, not sure which one I'll end up giving away for the 250 subscriber giveaway. Of course, it won't be this one. It will be a new one I purchased for the giveaway. And I will put a mirrored edge on it for the winner. Just like I did with the Sativian. Had somebody recently ask me in a comment, like, why I wanted to make a YouTube channel about knives. First off, I already downloaded a ton of videos about knives over the past few months to my other channel, my diecast channel. I decided to start my own knife channel. I just really got into knives this year. A lot of the knives that I looked up wanting to buy, when I looked up YouTube videos on them, it was hard for me to find just certain knives. And then other knives you can find hundreds of videos on. And a lot of the knives videos I was watching really seemed like the people were getting sent the knives from the manufacturers and stuff a lot of times. And I don't know. I'm not saying it's hard to trust a review where they're getting the knife for free, especially some of them. I don't know if it's Stalsa or Love Them Knives. They'll even say when they get a knife from a manufacturer that they're going to give it an honest review. I don't know. I wanted to share my knife collection. Wanted to share my knife collection with my viewers. And so I guess now this hobby of me collecting knives will grow with the YouTube channel. Since the beginning of the year, I have purchased probably right around 200 knives. So I have quite a few new knives that have come out, and I just really enjoy making these videos. So if you haven't hit the subscribe button, hit it now. Let's see how sharp this is. Oh man, that is sharp. All right, so know it's sharp. Now, I wish I could Spidey flick this, so that's always a bummer to me when I only have one deployment method. And maybe if I practiced and I wasn't on camera, maybe I could get it, but definitely not what it was intended for. So that's my thoughts on the Petrified Fish PF959. Absolutely love the blade shape. Excuse me. But definitely love the blade shape of it. Oh, make sure to like, subscribe, leave comments down below. Let me know if you guys have any petrified fishes, which ones you have or which ones you like. Oh, and at the end of the video, I just remembered I had another petrified fish. And I don't know where it is. Son of a bitch. Has a Spidey hole. Can be Spidey flicked. Damn it. Guess I'll have to try and figure out where I put that one at. Well, thanks for watching. Have an awesome day.